If you took all the regular repeating patterns that were ever made and boiled them down, you could reduce them to 17 different groups. Mathematicians call these the wallpaper symmetry groups, and there are extensive definitions of them in, for example, Wikipedia, where you can see the mathematics of the symmetry and of the reflections and translations. It turns out that Photoshop has all of these symmetry groups within them, and what you want to do is define a pattern, and the pattern should be defined on a transparent background, because when the elements get repeated, you want them to be able to get so close to each other that they can cover each other, cross each other, get into each other's space. So you want to define them on a transparent background and not an opaque one. Once you've done that, you can say fill, pattern, symmetry fill, and then you'll see all the wallpaper groups. Unfortunately, it's a little bit of a surprise how they end up working. You can play with the sliders a little bit, but there's not a lot of control over it, which probably explains why so few people use this feature. But it's there. It's worth checking out.